Hey there, my name is Lalit. I'm Vice President of Education with Association of Software Testing. We are here currently in beautiful San Diego for board meeting and we are working hard on making CAST 2022 conference amazing for you. It's going to be in November here in this beautiful place San Diego with lots of interesting talks and workshops on the theme hands-on where a lot of interesting conversations are going to happen around hands-on software testing, which is, I believe, is need of time. I would like to invite you on behalf of entire board to join for great conversations and discussions on software testing and enjoy beautiful San Diego with all of us. See you there. Thank you.